one, I'm Rhonda Fore of VirtueWorksForYou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses, get leads, and sales with visual content marketing and social media on hectic schedules with ease and with maximum productivity. This video is called How to Use Rich Pens to Build Brand Awareness on Pinterest. Rich pens are not just your regular pens, they are more advanced pens. Rich pens are advanced pens in that they are designed to offer more in-depth information about a product by using code, pulling metadata from the website page the rich pen is linked to. Rich pens are SEO focused, helping you to get more awareness, leads, and sales by providing useful information about your products and or services. If changes are made to the website page the rich pen links to, the rich pen automatically updates to reflect those changes. There are several types of rich pens, 4 to be exact, and each type is designed to support a specific type of content. Number 1, app rich pens are pens that you can have an install button to download apps directly from Pinterest. Number 2, product rich pens provides information about product pricing, purchasing, and product availability. Number 3, article pens provides information about the contents, author, a headline, and story descriptions. Number 4, recipe rich pens. They provide information about cooking time, ingredients, and serving sizes. Okay, now you have to apply for rich pens. Rich pens are free, but you do have to apply for them. And the application process takes up to 24 hours, which is not long. So I am going to provide some information on how to apply for rich pens and more information about rich pens through a link in the description section. Okay, and I also want to add one more thing. Okay, so I will be doing a video in the future where I show you how to set up rich pens. So look for that in the future. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some examples of rich pens. Okay, so I'm here on my Pinterest page, and I saved some rich pens to show you. Now, I was unsuccessful in finding an app pen, but this right here is the closest you'll get to an app pen. It doesn't have where you can download the app from here, but you have to go to the website, or it's probably a link. I think this is the link right here to download that app, but this is an app pen. This is a fitness app pen to be exact. So that's an example of an app pen. Okay, so right here, you have an author rich pen. So you have a piece of content here, and it has the author, a description, the headline, the author right here. Well, that's the website, but you have the author, the headline, and the description of the story. Here's the author here, and it provides a website so you can go there and read more. Here you have a product rich pen. Right here, this is a makeup color palette. So as you see with the product rich pen, as I stated, it provides information about the pricing right here, the name of the product. It gives you the ratings and where to go to purchase and what it is, a description of what it is. So that's a product rich pen. And lastly, recipe rich pen. So as you see here, this is a recipe rich pen. It has the link you go to look at more of it. It has the name of the recipe. It gives you ratings. That's something I forgot to add. I see these rich pens have ratings, especially the product and the recipe rich pens. Then it has, the information about cooking time, ingredients, and serving sizes. Okay. So that is it for how to use rich pens to build brand awareness on Pinterest. I've also gave you some examples of types of rich pens. I want you, and I'm going to put a link also to my Pinterest Pen to Proficiency playlist, where I discuss and also provide tutorials on all things Pinterest marketing. And I'm, gradually increasing this playlist because I want to cover everything that is about Pinterest marketing, which is never going to end. So this is going to be an ongoing playlist. So please be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. If you love this content, please thumbs it up, share it out, and click the subscribe button. Be sure to also click the notification bell symbol for alerts to get notified when I upload new content once per week. And again, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.